Oh, what do you do when you find a bandsaw sitting on the side of the road? If you're me, you lug it home. So here we have it, 1938 to 1950 probably. Walker Turner bandsaw. They were also sold as a Sears Craftsman, but this one doesn't have any Sears markings on it. Looks like it was probably used as a meat saw because all this waxy fat debris onto it. And well, it's a free bandsaw. Came with a big old bag of blades. You got wood cutting blades, scrolling blades. I think there's even some metal cutting blades in there, about a dozen spare blades. It's got a little, I think, washing machine motor hooked up onto it, 1/3 horsepower, which really ain't enough, but hell, it's a free bandsaw. And a little tinkering around, it actually runs. And saws. Only major problem I see with it is this little adjuster here is broke loose from that cast arm that's attached to the upper pulley, and this is what you adjust to tip the angle of the wheel and keep the blade centered so it runs true. And that's going to be probably a son of a bitch to fix, but again, I have a free bandsaw. You don't. So obviously it's CSA approved with those guards all over it.